A quick disclaimer before we get into this video: I did not purchase these, they were sent to me direct. Thank you very much for that. But as always, I will do an honest review and give you my personal opinion, what I think about them. And most earbuds I find fine, I have no issues with them whatsoever. So hopefully these are just as good. So these are the ST05s, and at the time of making this video they cost around about £26, so not too expensive, but hopefully the quality is really good, and also hopefully the controls are very good as well, because that's something you might need to know. Yeah, these are what's it called, an IPX7 Waterproof, and should be good for the rain. So if it's raining, they should be quite safe to wear in the rain. I wouldn't go swimming with them though, and they're stereo as well, apparently. Get them out the box. So we have the actual unit itself, instructions. Again, I've done quite a few videos on these, so I shouldn't need to read the instructions, but you might need to, or just watch my video and I will give you a quick tutorial. So we have multilingual for your instructions. We have USB with a USB type C, because I've read the instructions earlier. That them a little bit different. Oh, there you go. So USB type C connection to standard USB for charging. Some spare earbuds, which will probably be two different sizes. Probably. It looks like there's only 3 in there, but I've got a feeling there's one inside another one. So I'll get them out. Nah, can't be bothered. And the charger, that's quite nice. Model number on the bottom, and some specifications as well, like voltage and stuff like that. A nice little LED screen. I quite like the LED screens actually. USB type C on the back side, and it should just open and come on. Let's see if it does, but then it might not. I don't know. Cool, they look quite big, don't they? Oh, there you go. 100% charged. Cool, they look quite big, don't they? They don't have the little bit of plastic on the bottom to stop them charging up, but what it does have, I've just noticed, R for right and L for left. Very nice. I'm going to pop them into my ears to get a little red and white light flashing to say they're trying to pair. That one's not showing anything. Don't ask me why, because it might pair to that one. That's what I'm thinking. Comfortable. Oh, crikey, it really block out the outer sound. Let's do that again. Easy to fit, by the way. What do you think? Yeah? Right, connectivity, let's try it. It should, and let me just get rid of my messages. It should just be quite simple. So go to settings, go to Bluetooth, and available devices. That's my camera up there. ST05, there you go. Click on that. Pairing, come up with a message for you. Allow access to contacts and call logs, things like that. Otherwise you can't make no phone calls. That should now be connected. Oh, that's really weird. That really blocks out the outer sound, or the sound around me. Right, bit of music. Oh, turns volume up one touch. Quite bassy, so if you like a bit of bass, they're very good for bass. I can't get over how it blocks out the sound around you. It just seems to go dead quiet. How do I do next track? Pause is double tap. Yep. Same on the other side, so left or right for pausing. Broke it now. I haven't, oh look. Oh, it's going again now. Right, what else? What else? 3 taps. nothing. Hold it. Right. Oh, next track. Hold it for a couple of seconds. Hold it. Let's see if we can go back. Yeah. Well, that was easy. Right, I'm going to have a quick read of the instructions because I want to make sure I know exactly what I'm talking about. And then I'll give you my opinion, what I think about it, you know, and is it any good? I need to make some phone calls though, just to make sure. Play pause, yeah, we worked that one out. Tap twice, I worked that out on my own, didn't I? Oh, that's quite easy to read actually. They've got little pictures. Switch songs is hold for 2 seconds, which I've done. Adjust volume, yeah, we worked that one out as well, didn't we? One press. Power on off, oh no, didn't do that one. 5 seconds, left or right. Answer hang up, yeah, 2 taps. Reject calls, 2 seconds, left or right. And voice assistance, oh, 3 for Siri. Right, I'm gonna have a little play about of it, but first impressions, they look chunky and they really do block out outside sound or surround sound from outside. So if you're looking for a pair of earbuds that, you know, you just want to lose yourself, these might be the babies. Yeah. So what I'm going to do now is going to spend a bit of time with them, having a little play about, see how I get on, get the wife to phone me up, give them a little test for, because we don't just want music, we want audio, chit chat. In case someone phones me and says, can you understand what I'm saying? Sort of. Right, I have been trying these out for a few days now and they work extremely well. I have no issues with them whatsoever. They're easy to control and they fit my ears really comfortably. Yeah, considering how bulky they look. I mean, look at it. Look quite chunky, don't they? But they do fit my ears nice and comfortably. And also, if you're looking for something that you can get immersed into, i.e., you know, whether you're listening to something on your phone and you just want to lose yourself and don't want to hear anyone around you, this could be perfect because they do block out a lot of surround sounds. Yeah, fit very comfortably, have no issues with them whatsoever, and also like the LED or the LCD little display. On there it shows you how much battery life you actually got in the unit, and it shows you charging up your earbuds. Easy to connect, and that's the same on all earbuds, or all the ones that I've tested anyway. They all seem to be very easy to connect, whether you're connecting to your phone or another device, very easy, as long as you use Bluetooth. So with that, if you've got a pair of these and you think they're brilliant or not brilliant, let me know in the comments. I'd be interested in finding out if someone has a different opinion to me. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Get back to my video now.